Conversation 2. Planning a community garden.
Hey, have you seen the notice about the new community garden?
Yes, I read it this morning. They said we need volunteers to investigate the soil quality.
I tend to enjoy gardening, so I'll help. Meanwhile, we should talk to the local court clerk about the permit.
Good idea. I admire people who take the key steps to keep the neighborhood green.
Let's set things up properly. First, we need a warning sign about the compost area.
I'll note that down. Do we have enough muscle to move the heavy boxes?
We can ask the senior club for a favor. They always have strong members.
I'm in a great mood. I think the project will bring a positive attitude to the block.
The product is being tested. The soil test kit arrived yesterday.
She told me she had finished everything last week, so the kits are ready to use.
Let's evaluate the results after we take the first sample.
If the pH is off, we might need to add lime. You might be right.
I'm fine with that. I'll bring the lime on Saturday.
Can we confirm the meeting time?
How about 10 a.m.? Nor does it clash with the weekly market.
Works for me. The task has been completed once we have the permit.
I wish I could change the outcome if the council says no, but we'll try.
The political side of the council can be tricky, but we'll present a solid case.
We should catch up soon to finalize the layout.
Great. I'll bring the garden map, and we can conclude the design then.
Perfect. Take a deep breath and enjoy the fresh air tomorrow.